It's your snug.
Yeah.
It's your back thing like that.
Yeah, the other board.
There's so many trees down. Yeah, trees down.
Good way to have
I'll show you more once we get to hole 4 and 1 and 2 and 9. What happened to the green? It's brown now, boys. There's also trees.
It'll take a whole day just cleaning it up.
There's also a gigantic tree that fell down right there. You can't see it that well, but I'll show you better later. It's on hole 9. So when I say hole 9, that's
All right, guys.
the reason that.
What's up?
Read. Oh.
That one was dead because I was sitting over there in the park yesterday.
That tree is huge, and it fell. That tree fell, and then if we look a little bit to the right, that tree. I'm just gonna zoom out all the way because we keep hitting bumps. That tree, what? Fell. And then over there on another way. Ooh, and then the green looks like a river or pond with a flag in it. Another one.
Take a picture of that view.
Another one. Oh, enjoy. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. There was a severe thunderstorm. That's why all these trees are down. Oh, look at the stump. This is
When they get it all cleaned up, it's going to bottom.
Oh, that's 2 trees right there.
Yeah, I'm gonna take one from this angle.
This is another one. Don't. Another one. Ooh, something happened.
Come out of the ground.
Ooh, a stump behind my mom's head. A stump below the ground. Look at the leaves of the green. Golf club. Golf club. Minutes we're doing the pool. We're not gonna do the end. The pool ain't actually that bad.
So we're like, we got 30 minutes, we got an hour before it's supposed to hit.
Something's right there.
Like 15 minutes.
Yeah.
We were getting stuff tied
Other
up.
than that, it's
stuff
pretty
away
good.
from our mom,
Yeah.
There's
and
a puddle.
I seen it.
Ooh,
Like,
I can go inside the fence.
half a mile away from our way.
Just for funsies, here's some doggies. Hi. Hi. Rocks. Ooh, some of this is cool. Ooh. If y'all are wondering where this is, it's the Giles County Country Club. I think I'm standing on a grave. I'm gonna walk away. Let's go. I think this is a boy's pool. The pool. Oh my gosh, the pool is so full. That's not 12 feet deep anymore. That's like 14 feet deep.
All I was worried about, honestly, was supposed to be green. I was like, damn.
The water's warm. Can we go swimming? An umbrella fell over. Another umbrella fell. These are okay. Oh, it looks, there used to be a box right there. Now there's like a shower thingy. Let's see, there's something in the water right there. Those are pine needles. Ugh. That's disgusting. There's something in the water. I really don't want to find out. For you weirdos that like looking at kids, if you ever come here, right here's a good vantage point on a pre-K playground. Ooh, and there's a police officer right here. For weirdos. Unlike myself. I'm not gay. Or a weirdo. And then here's the 10-foot pool. This is 100% 10 foot deep. Nah, this is definitely 10 foot deep, bro. And then if you walk literally 3 feet forward, this is 12 foot. I mean, this is 11 foot. And if you walk white heel, this doesn't look as deep, actually. Looks like on the edges it's more shallow. But right here is supposed to be 12 feet all the way from this bubbler right here on is 12 feet. And then here's my favorite part, which is called a diving board. I like jumping off the swim at your own risk, by the way, unless you drown. There are lifeguards. I don't know why they say that. And then there's also a water hose. Broke my ankle. Ooh, and here's the kiddie pool for you other weirdos that like watching little kids swim. This is only like ankle deep. No, I don't know if it's locked or not. If it is locked, then I'll just hop the fence because I'm Sigma like that. I hope it's not locked. Easiest freaking lock ever to pick. Got it. Alright, so then that water always looks nasty. Yet again, there are little kids that pee in this probably every single day. Anyways, for you guys watching this that are actually good people, just kidding, that pay attention to holidays, and watch TV at all, considering there was a gigantic thing that went across my entire TV that said severe weather warning, and it showed a bunch of videos of tornadoes in like Arkansas and Kansas, and I want all of them to know that I'm sorry for everything. And here's some free water, even though it literally rains, so water should be free.
Right? And then they go, we're not going to the movies. Oh, man. Yeah. Yes. There you go. We're not going to the movies. And then she comes back and goes, we are going to the movies.
She is back.
Whatever.
Walmart.
Yes, sir. She's getting a watermelon and a cantaloupe. I said there's a $5,000 watermelon.
Yo! Oh my god! What are those? But there's a freaking dress in Crocs. Did somebody just disappeared? Somebody just like, oop, jump, and then gone. There's somebody screaming over there. Wait, that's Jack. Oh yeah, shout out to Jack. He's one of my friends. I don't remember the name of his channel, but that's them, so I'm gonna say hi. Hi! Actually, I think that's their grandparents on the golf cart. Boy. I accidentally just took a picture, boy. Bye. Entire tree, the trunk is out of the ground. It's literally that long. The thing's like 300 feet.
Yeah. Oh. I should have got that angle of the roof right there.
Look at it.
We're gonna
There's a tree blocking the road.
Daddy's videoing.
So am I. There's a tree blocking the road. Ooh, there's the tree that fell down. Skip 9. Here's part of hole 9. Ooh, and there's another tree that fell down.